I say goodbye, but not forever. Someday I know we'll be together again, and I will never forget how much I love you. As the years go slowly drifting by, I know you're gone. You're a hero, but I cannot wipe these tears from my eyes. And what they did to us, it was wrong, and I must carry on for our children to stay free and grow up strong. And I will never forget you, my darling, but right now it's all too much for me.
What a great song. Nothing better than listening to good music and playing with your RC. Alright, this is a follow-up video about my drive axle shaft that kept breaking, and some of you are having the same problem. For me, it was this little pin kept popping out, and I couldn't solve the problem. I bought a new one. I put it in, I haven't had a problem. But because I bought the new one, I found out this little secret that's not in the book. We'll take a look at the book. There's a grub screw in there. While I was working on my old one, it was just covered in grease. You know, impossible to decipher. This pin just kept falling out. I even thought I would weld the pin to the cup. And that was a huge mistake. So, after all that, I bought the new one, and I'm going to show you the secret. If you take your 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench and put it right in here, you can get that grub screw to tighten or loosen. Mine was loose. You know, out of the box. I didn't think to check it, but this one's definitely tight. There's Loctite on there. Always use Loctite. So when you're working on yours, hopefully you can clean it up, get the grease out of there. You know, it's going to look something like this. This is going to be in here. The pin is going to be pivoting. But you're going to be able to see that grub screw when you bend the cup back. There it is. So, if you're having the same problem and this pin falls out, just tighten up the grub screw. Burp. Perfectly tight. Now I have spare parts. A pin, this little bar, and a grub screw. But this is only on the Redcat Pro. Let me show you. Here's the exploded view on page 16 of your owner's manual. You should have kept that. You can get part numbers out of there. So, on the Pro, you have this one here. If you're having problems with the Sport, then something else is going on. I'm sorry, I can't help you. I have the Pro. See, there's the little rod, the little pin, but they don't show a grub screw grown in there. 1.5 millimeter grub screw. And this is a parts sheet or an assembly sheet, you know, to help you administer repairs, and it doesn't show that there's a grub screw in there. It just goes right in the end of this. Do you see it? Is this helping? I hope it is. There's the pin. There's this little pivot bar. The pin goes in there, goes in the ball and then the cup, and it makes this assembly that we just looked at together. But it doesn't show a grub screw. It goes right in there. So, I think that's it. I hope this helps you. We're going to end this video by watching a little more RC rock crawling and some more great music. Have fun out there, guys. Remember to wear your masks.
My body is my body and my body is my body. We go everywhere together. My body is my body and my body is my body. We have great respect for each other. My body is my body and my body is my body. We truly love each other. I salute you, my busy body. Athletic, calisthenic, love your body, it's good for you. Isometric, pump that iron, doing what you ought to do. Your body is your body and your body is your body. You go everywhere together. Your body is your body and your body is your body. You have great respect for each other. Your body is your body.